To explain you how the mode can be taken with the graphical method. So one question I am putting here and that I will solve for you. Mode graphically. The question is very small question. Wages are given in rupees and number of persons, number of workers are there. So figures 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400 and 400 to 500. And frequencies are given 5, 10, 25, 15 and 5. And we have to verify our answer. So first we have to find out with the help of the graphical method. So two things we have to just check here. The maximum figure, that is 25 in a frequency side, and in the class interval maximum it is 500. So it will be sufficient that both the side 5 centimeter will be there, but I am just using the 10 centimeter here, that the things must be clear to you, they will be easier to you to understand. Okay, so this side I have took just 10 centimeter, and this direction also I am moving for the 10 centimeter. We have to just put the marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So scale is very important. We have to write the scale also. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is OY axis and this is OX axis. We are putting here class interval 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. At the top corner we can write the scale. Scale 2 cm is equal to 5 workers. This is in the y axis. And second one we have to put here 1 cm, 2 cm is equal to rupees 100 wages in x-axis. Okay, now important thing which we have to do, first is the 5 centimeter, that one rectangle will be of 5 centimeter. Just 5, that means 2 centimeter will be taken, because here for 5 candidates we are using the 2 centimeter. Second figure is 10, so we have to use the 4 centimeter here. Third is of 25. 25 means we need the 10 centimeter. Next, so it is the biggest one. Okay, next is of 15, that means we have to use the 3 centimeter, because 3 is 6 centimeter. We took 6 centimeter. At the same time, if you draw, it will be easier for you to understand things. Next is, last one is 5, so 2 centimeter will be sufficient here. how it has to be connected. The biggest histogram, so previous and next one. The previous pillar, this is up to here, and this one is here. So what we have to do, we have to just click this and this point, and we have to interconnect. We have to cut this to this point. The line will be drawn here. In this way we have make the line, and second line have been prepared from this side. You have to just check that the line must not move this and that side. They have to exact. They will just this corner, both this corner and this corner, they will be connected. And after that, one line you will draw from here, dotted line. Wherever the line will fall, according to me it is 260, but for that we have to verify. Rupees 260, that is the mode. At bottom we have to write wages in rupees, and this side number of students. In graph, heading is more important, so already we have written here. You can write here determination of the mode through the graph. It can also be mentioned at the bottom if it is required. Now we are going to verify whether we have done the right plottation or not. For the verifying, what we will do, first we have to use the formula z is equal to lower limit plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I. Now the biggest pillar frequency will be f1, previous to it will be f0, and next will be f2. So all these figure will be put here. So it was coming in the group 200 to 300. So what you are going to do here, its lower limit of the model class will be put in the L1. So 200 plus 25 minus 10 upon 2 into 25 minus 10 minus 15 into the gap of the model class is of 100. So 200 plus 15, the gap 25 minus 10, 15 into 100, 1500. 2 25s are 50, and minus 15 and minus 15 minus plus, it will be minus 25. So finally what we are getting, 200 plus 1500 upon 25. So we can use the table of 25, and 25 divide 1500, you will get finally 60. So 200 plus 60, 260. So this is verified. That means our answer is correct. So you can write at the end, hence verified. I think so all of you have understood this. If there's any problem, you can just send your question. You can ask your question.